stop the boat from tipping back and forwards like that? Because it's really fucking annoying.
I think it's part of the experience, isn't it?
See, this is why any other boat that has a rudder system, you can take it out because the fasteners are on the outside of the boat.
Mm-hmm. But cables on the outside aren't aero.
No, not the cable. You can undo them from the outside.
Hmm. Those are cables on the outside anyway. You had to get some internally routed tie downs for better aero.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Ugh. Anyway. So yeah, this is how you adjust the angle on the pedals
Right?
in one of these boats.
I have done similar things to fix electrical gremlins on my car, so...
On the boat next to it, I can do it sitting in the seat.
Right?
That's how clever the SmartTrack rudder is.
Mm-hmm. Oh, generally if it has smart in the name, it's lying to you.